The Tulip One-Step Tie-Dye Color Mania kit is the perfect choice for anyone looking to create vibrant and unique designs. With 36 bright colors, this all-in-one kit provides everything needed to transform plain fabric into colorful masterpieces. Whether you are working on t-shirts, hoodies, or other fabric items, this kit makes the process fun and easy. One of the best features of this tie-dye kit is its convenience. The pre-filled bottles eliminate the need for measuring or mixing, making it simple to get started. Just add water, shake, and start designing. This makes it a great option for beginners and experienced crafters alike. The colors in this kit are bold and long-lasting. The permanent fabric dye ensures that designs stay vibrant even after multiple washes. The variety of shades allows for endless creative possibilities, from classic spirals to unique abstract patterns. This kit is ideal for large groups, making it perfect for parties, school events, or family gatherings. With enough dye to cover multiple projects, everyone can join in on the fun. The included gloves and instructions help keep the process clean and straightforward. The Tulip One-Step Tie-Dye Color Mania kit is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves DIY projects. It offers an easy way to create personalized clothing and accessories while having fun. If you want to bring some color into your wardrobe, check out the link in the description below to get one for yourself.